In today's video, I will walk you through how to stop Discord email notifications. Want to get most out of this tutorial? Sign up using the link in the description below, and let's jump right in. First, open Discord on your computer. You can use the desktop app or the web version in your browser. Make sure you're signed into the account where you want to change the notification settings. Once Discord is open, look at the bottom left corner of the window. You'll see your profile area and a gear icon next to your username. Click the gear icon to open User Settings. Inside User Settings, look at the sidebar on the left and select Notifications. This page contains the settings for Discord's different notification types. Scroll down until you find the Email Notifications section. Here, you'll see different categories of emails that Discord can send to your account. These categories can include communication, social, announcements, tips, and recommendations, depending on your current Discord version. To receive fewer emails, simply turn off the categories you don't want to receive. If you want to stop most promotional and informational Discord emails, you can turn off all of the available email notification options. Your changes are saved automatically, so you don't need to click a separate save button. Keep in mind that disabling email notifications doesn't necessarily stop essential account or security-related emails. Discord may still send important messages related to things like password resets, account security, or critical account notices. Once you've finished adjusting the settings, you can close User Settings and continue using Discord normally. If you change your mind later, simply return to User Settings, open Notifications, and turn the email notification categories back on. That's it. Open Discord, go to User Settings, select Notifications, find Email Notifications, and turn off the categories you don't want. And that's how to stop Discord email notifications. Click the link on the description below. Thank you for watching the video.